A great philosopher once said, "A creator is seen in the reflection of his own creation." And if the creation is immaculately planned and designed, it is ought to leave an everlasting impression. History has many great artisans who, with their genius, not only constructed remarkable monuments, but also contributed largely to the growth of their own cities. The city that ranks 19th in the world by the Economist Intelligence Unit reflects its immense economic strength. The city that ranks number 1 among the rapidly developing cities in India reflects its never-say-die spirit. The city that got listed by the Forbes magazine as the world's fastest-growing city reflects itself as the dynamic powerhouse. Welcome to the city that reflects prosperity. Welcome to Ahmedabad. To keep up with the city's rapid growth and vibrancy, the need for an ultra-modern contemporary life space arises. Raised on the pillars of trust, quality, and innovation, Pacifica Realtors has emerged as one of Gujarat's most respected names in property development. With a decade-old legacy of providing the best quality infrastructure, Pacifica has won several accolades nationally as well as internationally. After the successful launch of projects like La Habitat, Green Acre, Madrid County, and Meadows, the modern-day creators, Pacifica Realtors, brings to the city the ultra-modern creation, Reflections. The meticulously planned and carefully designed Reflections is a consortium of 2, 3, and 4 BHK luxury residencies. Experience a contemporary lifestyle like never before. Spread over 4 acres of lush green property, Reflections exudes sophistication, vibrancy, and dynamism. Appointing some of world's best architects and using the advanced construction techniques, Reflections epitomizes a contemporary living. Featured with the ultra-modern amenities, Reflection Residency offers a seamless blend of contemporary and a luxurious lifestyle, with amenities like a private jogging track, beautifully landscaped gardens, swimming pool, multi-purpose gaming court, gymnasium, senior citizen sit-out, community hall, car wash area, 24/7 security, library, and many more. It even features the state-of-the-art clubhouse, a perfect way to de-stress your mind and body. Reflections Residency combines iconic design and an unbeatable location. Located near the well-constructed SG Highway, Reflections is the most promising residential choice to watch out for in Ahmedabad. Strategically located, Reflections enjoys the close proximity from city's various important landmarks. The upcoming SEZ at a distance of 15 kilometers. The city airport at a distance of 10 kilometers. Gift City at a distance of 15 kilometers. Info City at a distance of 14 kilometers. Why settle just anywhere? A remarkable creation awaits just for you. Come experience the world of Reflections.